Hey, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we making some crispy onion rings. Hey, let's get in the game. Now, after you chop your onions up into the size that you like them, now mine's about a ½ an inch. Hey, be patient, peel these layers back because you want a whole onion ring like that. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm using just about all this onion until I get to about the core of this onion. Now, what I'm gonna do is I ain't gonna throw that away. I'm gonna set that to the side because I'm gonna use that in another recipe. Now we're gonna be making us a batter, and I got me a little bit of flour, and I'm gonna tell you I'm freestyling here. I got a little bit of cornstarch just so I can have that, that crispy bite. Then we going in with some Creole seasoning, and then we're gonna hit it with some crushed black pepper. And fam, I'm gonna tell you, after that, hey, you just get you some milk, whisk this in, and then you want this to be the consistency like a pancake batter, right? Now we got our onion ring, we want to dip that in it, get it coated, and then to the side right there, hey, I got some Italian breadcrumbs. That's my secret ingredient right there. Now we want to drain this onion ring off a little bit, and then we want to sit it over in those breadcrumbs. And then after that, hey, we just gonna give it a little shaky. Hey, I got my little glass bowl here. Hey, you can use a paper bag. Hey, you can use, a Ziploc bag, whatever you want to do. Just make sure that thing is coated up. Now I'm gonna flip this a couple of times. Like I said, I want to make sure this onion ring is nice and coated. Then I'm gonna sit it on my raw rack and let this chill out for a couple minutes so those ingredients can adhere to those onion rings before I put them in that flour. Now I'm a sauce guy, right? I'll be telling you guys I'm a sauce guy. Going in with a little bit of mayo, got some sriracha, and then some onion and garlic powder. Then I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and then I'm gonna give it a mix. Now let me tell you the beauty of cooking. The beauty of cooking is, you can go back and you can add more if you don't like it, right? Now I'm adding a little bit more sriracha because I like a little kick in my sauce. All right, so we want our temperature at a minimum of 325. So you can see right here we're about 330, so that's a perfect temperature. And we're gonna go ahead and drop these onion rings. Now we're gonna do these in batches, and we're gonna cook these until they become golden brown. These onion rings should come out like this, nice and golden brown. That looks absolutely amazing. So what you want to do is you want to set these on your raw rack so they can cool. Let me bring one more up to you. Hey, yes sir. Hey, we're gonna finish these batches up, and then we're gonna give these a taste test, fam. But don't these look absolutely amazing? So it is the reason why I want to go on the lower end of frying, like 330, 325, is because the breadcrumbs do tend to burn. So you want these to be golden brown, and then you want your onion rings to be, cooked, right? So that's a perfect temperature. So, hey, we about done. We're gonna get these plated up. We'll see you in a minute. Check this out right here. Now you already know, hey, we got that special spicy mayo sauce, and I'm gonna get a little bit of that. Hey, check that out right there. Hey, enough of that talk. Cheers, fam. Cooked perfectly. Got a nice little crunch to it. And that sauce, hey, that's on point. Man, that right there, that is absolutely delicious, fam. Now, if you're new to my channel, you like this content, hey, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends, and tell them Cooking with Manual Focus got you in the game. Now, for my Focus family that's been rolling me for a while, hey, you know what I'm about to do. Hey, I'm about to smash into these onion rings, and we'll see you guys on the next recipe. Peace.